GearUp Booster versus LagoFast. Which one is better? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting GearUp Booster and LagoFast head to head, which are two popular tools that promise to reduce lag and improve online gaming performance, but which one actually delivers? Let's dive in. First up is GearUp Booster. This app is designed to optimize your internet connection for gaming, helping to lower ping, enhance stability, and provide a smoother gaming experience overall. On Trustpilot, it has an outstanding 4.8 star rating from over 1900 reviews. With 93% of users giving it 5 stars, many gamers report noticeable improvements with reduced lag and smoother gameplay, making Gear Booster a trusted choice for serious players. Now let's look at LagoFast. This tool claims to do the same thing, reduce ping and boost performance, but its track record isn't as strong. On Trustpilot, it sits at about 3.4 stars from 200 reviews, some users reporting features that didn't work as promised. While it may help for some setups, there are a few warning signs that make it less reliable. So what's the bottom line? Based on user ratings and feedbacks, GearUp Booster clearly comes out on top as the more effective and dependable solution for improving online gameplay. LagoFast has potential, but it may not deliver consistently. So that was a comparison between GearUp Booster and LagoFast. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.